speech is modern application. He's working on the third speech in Pathways for research and presenting. Modern applications. In October, Phil shared what digital transformation is, why organizations are doing it, and what successful ones are doing differently. Successful digital transformations are often comprised of modern applications built in the cloud, leveraging microservices and DevOps methodologies. Phil Baugh, Modern Applications, Phil.
Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, honored guests. Every company in every industry is a software company by way of digital transformation. The software application is the business. Today's modern applications are revenue generating digital services that are relying on continuous improvement practices to ensure their customer experiences remain engaging, sticky, and secure. Today's leading enterprises are relying on high performance, highly scalable, always-on digital services. And these services are built on custom modern architectures, an application stack with new tiers, new technologies, microservices, and typically running on cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Organizations who are building modern applications in the cloud are leveraging DevOps methodologies to increase agility and reliability of their software. My goal is to share with you the 3 trends that are fueling digital transformations today. The first is cloud for its elasticity and scalability. Companies of every industry and size are leveraging the cloud to increase speed, agility, and to reduce costs. Since we're not all software experts here, I thought a real estate example might resonate with you. So say I want to have a big party at my house, 3 times the size of the amount of people in this room. My house has a fixed amount of square footage, so to accommodate that many people, I'm going to need to build an addition, which is going to be costly and time consuming. That house is more like a traditional on-premise data center that folks who are not in the cloud are typically leveraging. But the cloud could be likened to a hotel resort. If I want to have that same party at a very large hotel, just book the amount of rooms that we need and pay for what we use. So you could say that hotel has elasticity and scalability. The second trend is microservices, which deliver speed and more accurate delivery. Microservices is a software development technique that structures an application as a set of loosely coupled services that increases modularity. Microservices it structures an application so that it's easier to understand, develop, test, and become more resilient to architecture erosion. It enables small autonomous teams to develop, deploy, and scale their respective services independently. So back to our real estate example, if you think of a traditional application as that house, say I want to remodel my kitchen, I'm going to have one team remodeling that kitchen, and it's going to be disruptive to the rest of the house because that kitchen connects to all the other rooms there. Whereas a microservices application is more similar to an apartment complex. If I want to remodel multiple kitchens within that apartment complex, I'm going to have smaller teams doing it quicker, and it's going to have minimal impact on the apartment complex as a whole. Or a transportation example, you could think of that traditional software application as a bus and a microservices application as a train. You can switch out cars very easily. The last trend fueling digital transformations is DevOps, which is the combination of development and operations becoming one team. DevOps is a cultural philosophy that incorporates people, processes, and tools. The traditional feeling towards the traditional persona of software developer and IT operations is changing. In the old days, you'd have software developers over here writing new code, spending a lot of time building out new features for their big software release of that year. They'd put it through quality assurance testing. Then they'd throw it over the fence to IT operations. And IT operations has to support that new functionality and support end users as they use it in production. With DevOps, you could say it's more proactive, because in that traditional IT operations environment, they typically wait for the problem to occur before they go into troubleshooting mode and fix the problem. Where with DevOps, they're building out smaller functionality in smaller increments. They're automating integration testing. They're using telemetry to see and solve problems as they occur, and they're pushing security reviews into the design stage. So ultimately, the objective of DevOps is to improve the customer experience. The paradigm for successful digital transformations includes modern applications built in the cloud on microservices, leveraging DevOps methodologies. So the next time you're using a well-performing, feature-rich software application, you will know why. Madam Toastmaster.